Loss going out, last session of the day. Marcus Hankey here, M140. Got KWs on that. Doing 61 flat, hopefully get a faster time. There's Marcus's M140 with the KW coilovers and the big RE71s and the Koyas on. Sensational car. Your previous PB, Marcus, what was it?
Previous PB 62.7.
What did you do today?
60.7.
2 seconds faster.
Nice.
Very happy with that.
Suspension.
And it's a warm day today, so mate, that's probably one of the quicker I-40 street cars I've seen around here. And he hasn't even done the tune. What I'm scared about is that he can then go and just tune this thing and get 500 horsepower. So watch this car go.